Yo, what's up, winners, and welcome to In It to Win It Fitness. My name is Carlos, and I am your online personal trainer. Today, I'm taking y'all through a resist band loop workout. All those bands are packed nicely in this little pouch, which is easy to take with you while you travel to the playground, to the park, if you're going out of town, whatever it may be. It's in this little tiny bag. And what comes in this tiny bag are 5 resist bands. They come in heavy, boom. They come in extra light right there. They come in light, they come in medium, and they come in super heavy. So let's go ahead and get this workout started. Again, it's gonna be 4 exercises, 5 minutes total, 2 rounds. And if you wanna get those bands, I'm gonna put a link down at the bottom so you can buy those right on Amazon for the low. So check it out whenever you get a chance. But right now, let's go ahead and get into this workout. If you do have those bands already with you, let's go. All right, guys, so for the workout, I'm using the medium-sized band myself, but you choose whichever resistance works best for you. I'm gonna go ahead and demo the first 4 or our 4 exercises we're gonna go through. So all we're doing here, we're gonna start with a squat with a leg lift. We're gonna do one side at a time. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 is our first 2 exercises for this one, all right? So all you're doing here, you're going down to a squat and lift. Squat and lift. Hitting those quads, those hamstrings, those glutes, those outer hips each time. Boom, we're gonna do 30 seconds on that side, then 30 seconds on the other side. From there, we're gonna take it down to the floor. So on the floor, we have our jacks on the floor, right? So all you're doing here is a plank position. Coming down, boom, in and out. Right there. Bam, taking those legs in and out. Perfect, perfect, right there. And that's how you gotta get that one in, all right? And then from there, our last exercise, we're gonna do our 4th one. We're gonna turn it around here. We're gonna do a crunch or sit up with just reach in between. Just getting that leg abduction or hip abduction. Bringing those legs out as you come up to the top, right? And that's gonna be our 4 exercises. Let's go ahead and get right into them again. 30 seconds on each one with a 10-second break in between. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna start in just a few seconds with that first exercise, which again is that squat with that leg lift. We're gonna start in 2, 1, and let's go for it. You're gonna squat, and again, just lift that one leg up. Squat. Boom. When you go to that squat, make sure you push those hips down and back. Dig those heels nice and deep into the floor each time, all right? Dig them deep in that mat. And exhale each time you kick it up. Again, we got 4 rounds. We got 4 exercises, 2 rounds total, 30 seconds on each one with a 10-second break in between. Perfect. All right, y'all, we're gonna go to the other side, same thing, and we're gonna kick that left leg up. Or whichever leg you start off with, go to the opposite. All right, let's go for it. Squat, kick it up. Boom, and I had these resist band loops for 2 years and they still have enough resistance to them. They haven't lost their resistance at all, so this is why I recommend these. You can get these right on Amazon for about $13.99 and you get 5 of them total. Which makes it a great deal. Come on, keep it up. Boom, don't stop. Woo. All right, and let me know in the comments below, what timer do you use when you're doing your exercises? I use the HIIT timer. All right, let's go for it. Out. And also let me know, do you already have these bands? In the comments below, let me know, do you already have them and which brand do you have and how do you like them? Come on, let's go. Get those jacks, get that cardio in while at the same time working those outer hips. Keep it up, keep it up. You're almost there. If you need to modify, you can step it out 1 leg at a time to make it less intense. Boom, perfect. All right, y'all, we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna work those abs, we're gonna work those glutes at the same time. All right, again, we're coming into the middle with that crunch at the same time. Going that hip abduction, chin up, eyes up, abduct those legs out, Pace yourself. Feel the upper abs work. Feel those hips work. Come on, y'all. Get it. Get it. Exhale to the top. All right, perfect. Let's bring it back up to the top, y'all. Back to those squats with the leg lift. This is our second round. Let's knock it out. It's only 5 minutes. You got this. All right, let's go for it. Squat. Leg raise. Squat. And bring that leg up. Working those hips. Working those thighs. Come on. Let's get them. We're halfway there. 15 more seconds. And if y'all feel like 5 minutes is enough, then what I want you to do, when this workout is done, I want you to go ahead and repeat it 2 to 3 more times. Then we get about a good 15 to 20 minute workout out of this, all right? I want you to really feel the legs burn. I want you to feel those thighs, feel those glutes, all right? And let's go for it. Again, squat, bam, bring it up. Squat, and kick it up. Bam, come on, y'all. Exhale, at the top, dig them heels, nice and deep. Push those hips down and back. Don't slack, don't stop, don't quit. Come on, give them to me, give them to me. 3 more seconds to go. 2, 1, perfect. All right, y'all, we're taking it back down to the floor for those plank jacks. All right, again, we're on our elbows here. Going in and out with those legs, just like a jack. And again, you got that band right there around your thighs, right above the knees. And again, if you need to modify this one, you can easily modify it by just tapping 1 foot at a time. But again, if you want to make it more intense, get both legs out. Keep that belly button drawn in. Keep those hips in line with the shoulders. Come on, go, go, woo! Perfect. All right, y'all, we're down to our last one. Woo, a quick 5-minute workout. That's all you got in your day. Make it happen. Every minute counts, all right? Let's go. Crunch. Come on, get it up. And exhale at the top. Get them legs out each time. Let's do it, winners. Come on, let's go, let's go. Push through. Don't stop. Come on. Don't stop. Get it. Don't stop. Get it. Push it. Woo! Oh, nice, y'all. Good workout. Good workout. Winners, that was a great 5-minute workout. Again, what I want y'all to do, if you feel like that wasn't enough, go ahead and repeat that workout 3 more times to get that good sweat, get that good leg workout. But if you feel like it was just enough for you, you're just starting out, you're a beginner, go right ahead and let that be your 5 minutes for today. Again, every minute counts. Just make it consistent. Be consistent, and trust me, you will reach your goal. Stick with that 5 minutes for at least 2 weeks, then bump it up to 10 minutes for 2 weeks, then 15 minutes for 2 weeks, and just so on and so on until you get to that 30 to 45 minute workout each day. And y'all do it every day. About 3 to 4 days a week is good enough, all right? Do what you can right now and just be consistent, and trust me, that's how you start with working your way toward an excellent success goal, all right? And again, we use the bands today. Again, you may start off with the extra heavy. You might start off with the medium band like I did. You might start off with the heavy, or you might go extra light or light. Whichever band you decide to start with, choose that band, stick with it, and again, just stay consistent and be patient, because you're gonna reach your goals. Again, I want to thank y'all for joining me. Again, if you want to get these bands here on Amazon, you've been looking for some good resist band loops, click on that link at the bottom, check it out, get yourself this set. Again, it comes with 5. It's very compact, so again, you can place this in your pocket and go wherever you want to, the playground, the park, when you travel, wherever you are, you can have these bands with you and accessible, all right? Again, I want to thank y'all for joining me. Continue to stay in it to win it, stay motivated, and always motivate others. Peace. And before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification button on the side, that little bell, so you know the next time I post a video for you.